Hey, beautiful people. This is your girl Carolyn, and I am finishing up this open shell crochet stitch crop top for my cousin. And I was thinking, you know what? Let me go ahead and put this workshop out here. Every time people see me crochet, they're like, "Hey, can you show me how to do that? Are you offering a class?" And I'm like, "Yeah, sure. Why not?" So here we are. I am putting the last minute touches on this crochet top. Again, it's an open shell stitch crop top. It's going to be really cute. And I am hosting two workshops. It's a two-part session on Saturday, November 9th and on Saturday, November the 16th from 1 to 2 p.m. Once you register, you'll see where the location is, and we are in Dayton, Ohio. So if you are interested, if you're a beginner, this is a beginner's course, and sign up. Even if you've had some experience, you just want to hang out and kind of trade some crochet stories and pains, look, victories and defeats, because it is a journey and it's worthwhile though. So I've been crocheting for a very long time. I won't say how long because that will show how old I am, but this is something I love doing. My great great grandmother, she taught me how to crochet, and my mother, she kind of brushed me up on a few skills, and I'm basically just learning as I go. I learned back when there was no YouTube and you had to learn from a book or you had to learn from an elder. So I'm just going to pass on what knowledge I have. Go ahead and register. Again, it's this up November the 9th and or November the 16th from 1 to 2 p.m. And if you have any questions, of course, once you register, you can reach me and ask all the questions you want. I'm so excited. I am almost finished with this open shell stitch crochet crop top. You guys, thank you so much for watching and seeing me do my work. This is a double crochet stitch worked into the shell stitch, you guys. It's pretty easy once you get the hang of it, and you have to make sure you have that count. Oh, look, we're about to do the last stitch, y'all. Check me out, the very last stitch of this top. I'm so excited. I'm struggling to put my crochet hook in here. Ah, yes, done.
Tú no vas a ver, ¿a qué tú viniste para acá? Se está yendo el audio, se está yendo el audio.